Welcome to Technology Talks. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video we are going to see these features, the unboxing of Motorola Edge 20. So let's get started. So guys, Motorola Edge 20 comes with India's first Snapdragon 778G 5G processor with 11 5G bands. Also, it is also known as the India's slimmest 5G phone. Now talking about the performance, its operating system is Android 11 with easy access to the Google apps you use the most. Internal storage comes with 128GB, UFS 2.2 Turbo Write Host-Aware Performance Booster. And the sensors are proximity ambient light, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, compass. The processor is Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Adreno 642L GPU. Also the memory, that is the RAM, comes with 8GB DDR4. So the display size is 6.7 inch and it is an AMOLED 10-bit color DCI P3 color space which comes with 144Hz refresh rate up to 576Hz touch latency. The box comes with USB data cable and the charger. Also, it comes with few manual papers and a SIM ejector tool. And also, one thing to be noted is the phone comes with the protector phone cover. That is the transparent phone cover. It will be already present in the box. It also comes with the stock Android, which means it will work very smoothly. It won't have any ads or it won't lag anywhere. It will give a very smooth performance. The box contains obviously Motorola Edge 20, turbo power 30 volts charger, USB Type-C cable, the manual papers, SIM ejector tool and a protective case. Now talking about the colors, this phone comes with 3 colors, that is Frosted Emerald, Frosted Pearl as well as Frosted Onyx, that is also known as black. Now looking at the specifications, it comes with a 32 megapixel selfie camera, 6.7 inch Full HD OLED display. On the top side of the phone you can see a microphone. On the bottom of the phone you can see speaker grill, USB-C port and a dual SIM tray which comes with full 5G and 4G. Left side you will see a Google Assistant and on the right side you will see volume up and down button as well as power on off button with integrated fingerprint sensor. Now talking about the rear camera, it comes with triple rear camera setup. The first one is 16 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and macro camera. Second one is 108 MP and the third one is 8 MP. So now here I'll show you the pictures which is taken with the rear camera and I hope you have got this video. You have understood everything from this video, and this was all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Also, if you have any kind of doubts, you can always DM us or comment in the comment section below so that we will always be ready to help you guys. And all the links are also in the description for the phone and the phone related things. Thank you so much. Have a good day.